Please.
This is the voices of Mera. The voice of Mera is look like a cat also. That's why he's cheating with you, thinking, oh, you are the girl cat. This is the boy.
Come to me.
Don't come to me. Yala, you run, Mira.
I don't want to know.
Nak Maki. Milik di sana.
Yala, tale. Meow.
I'm scared.
Very big cat. It's a boy cat. Okay, he was looking at you. Because your face is same like cat.
I'm scared.
Cute cat.
Picture mahas.
Wala ka, Lasty. From where he was looking. From where he was looking. Huh?
Listen to me.
Looking to you? Don't look at him. He want to play with you.
I don't want to play with him.
Yala. You see, he is listening.
Picture.
Don't bite me.
Please.
We will go up.
I want to go.
Why are you so black?
Here, Mira. You want play?
I want water. I want water. Do this.
Mira, you want...
No, this is for me.
La, no, Mira. Smoky.
Lungkod.
I want to play with Smoky.
Do this.
La, I saw it. Smoky, go. I saw it. Wait. See, good. See, it's very good.